Hello everyone, my name is Royanne Bystead and I'm here in Junction City at Guarantee RV. I'd like to show you this Tiffin Allegro Bus. This is a 2015 37 AP and it is a beautiful coach, very well maintained. Standard storage on the outside, has side opening doors, TV, entertainment area out here. This is a beautiful coach. It's all hardwoods. Storage is excellent in this. Has plenty of seating. You have an L-shaped couch that folds in, an extra recliner, a really nice atmosphere with the fireplace and TV. Table right here can also serve as a mobile office. Does come with extra 2 chairs that are stored underneath the bed. Over here we've got an island that comes out for extra counter space. This is all hard surface. This is a solid surface countertop. All solid surface countertops in the whole coach. Nice storage right here for a little few extra things. This is your stove, good size sink, and this is a microwave convection as well. This one has 2 access areas into the bathroom. You have 1 access right here. Double sink, solid surface counters in here as well. And it also has an opening into the bedroom. This is a residential fridge as well. Bedroom has a queen size bed, the nice size closet, and then it has a washer and dryer stackable unit right here. It's nice and convenient to have it here in the bedroom. You do get storage right here with your extra large dresser here and a nice size TV. This has a huge slide. It's got opposing slides in it. 2 full wall. It's a beautiful coach, very well made and very well maintained. If you have any questions about this one or any of our other coaches in our inventory, please give me a call. Again, my name is Royanne Bystead and my phone number is 541-636-7862. Thank you.